Daryl.
My first Cornish pasty in Cornwall, and we've been here nearly a week. But it's big. Really big. And really, really tasty.
It's the first one.
Well, been down this time, yeah.
It's nice.
And we've got a sea view while we eat it.
And why do we stop here?
Because we've just seen a coffee shop. And it's 1 o'clock and we've not had a coffee today.
So it's a pasty, then coffee.
Then back for coffee. And it looks like it's all real proper milk as well.
Happy days.
So
we're not going for coffee.
now I give with one hand and go and buy a pasty. You take with the other because the place is closed. Well, we're going to go and have a coffee. The free range dairy. It did. Oh well. When we do find a coffee, it better be worth it.
Yeah.
I need coffee. Well, eventually we found a coffee shop. And it's a coffee shop where we can sit outside. So it means the dogs can come and join us. And I like it when they come and join us. Join us for coffee, dogs. See?
That was tweeting.
Thank you. Better?
Yep.
Much better.
No idea how you get down to it though. Got you.
I hope so. I don't like heights. Oh, ow. You got it?
Yeah. It's a long way down. Ooh, I'm seasick. That's better.
You need to eat those blackberries you picked the other day.
I do. And these are
Tonight.
nice. These are sweet as well. Small, but sweet.
Small ones are the most juicy. Does anybody know what this flower is? It's almost like a chive head. Smell oniony?
No.
So if anyone knows, please comment below. So I've just seen signposts for St Ives. What did you say?
I asked you, did you know the saying?
And I said I've heard it but I can't remember it.
Yeah. Good. As I was going to St Ives, I met a man with 7 wives. Each wife had 7 sacks, and each sack had 7 cats. Each cat had 7 kits. Kits, cats, sacks and wives, how many was going to St Ives?
And I couldn't remember.
Carol couldn't remember. Can you?
Answers below. No. Go on, what's the answer?
1. As I was going to St Ives, I met a man with 7 wives, so they were going in the other direction.
So there.
This is Ken Galver tin mine, just on the side of the road. Not much left of the part of it. So that's the chimney stack to the tin mine. Looking over to, I don't know what part of the mine that would be. You what?
Pretty good, mate. Nice view. I came in here before and I thought it'd be quite sheltered, but it's not. Quite a wind trap, isn't it?
Camera.
Following our noses again, we saw the signs for a lighthouse. We do like a lighthouse. And wouldn't that be a nice place to live? Seeing those views every day.
So what's on the menu today?
We're having beef meatballs and barbecue baked beans. Very camperish. Not very camperish.
Pardon?
Very camperish.
Or what? Another one pot
Yeah.
recipe.
It's easier, isn't it? I'll turn the heat down.
Why?
Dave says so. Look, it's on full. I can turn it down. Heat down.
You need it hot, high to get the hot, fat hot.
This is muscle food. Meat. Always nice.
So it should be quite lean then.
Never fatty, is it?
That's what you're doing, letting them brown off and then adding the...
Add the beans to them, and we've still got some of that bread left, so we'll have a bit.
Bread's done.
They're frying nicely on a low heat. Time to add the beans. Cowboy's tea. Oh, and those flasks we mentioned the other day. Got some flasks today, so I can have my flask of coffee when we're out.
If we remember to make it.
Give these a stir. Well, it's ready. We are sat outside, and we are going to eat it outside. We are going to eat it outside. Just want to see what it's like before I try it.
It's alright.
Just alright. I spent hours preparing that.
We'll look at the timestamps and see how long you have.
All this fresh air is having a negative effect on these two. Look at those tired eyes. Don't point the camera at me when I'm going to sleep. And this one, well. Out for the count. So we've had tea.
No, we're not.
No, we've had
We're
dinner.
having tea now.
We've had dinner.
We've had dinner. Got a nice cup of tea. Got some custard slices.
Again reduced.
Oh, not reduced by much, but reduced. And
So, is that a custard finger? Is that a custard finger?
that's a custard slice. That's the finger.
So, some of you might have noticed in the last few videos that Keith's had a bandaged finger.
And it's looking rather grubby at the moment, so I'm going to take it off.
Well, what happened? Tell them what happened first.
Well, I tried to take my finger off with a bandsaw, so wasn't good. Got through to the bone and had an open fracture because it'd taken a chunk out of the bone as well. So yeah, don't do things by half.
Couldn't stitch it up, could they? Because
No,
it's
because
an
it's
open
an open
fracture.
fracture.
So
got steady strips on it to hold it together while it's healed. So we're just going to
do a reveal.
have a look at it.
So if you're squeamish.
Yeah, not too bad. I think these steady strips these are steady strips. They might need soaking off. It doesn't look too bad. I've still got feeling, so I've not done any damage to nerves or tendons. So
You silly bugger.
I know.
You should let me carry on doing it with the bandsaw.
Oops.
Ouch. Right. Cup of tea.
Cup of tea.
Custard slice.
Custard slice. And maybe a shower.
Yeah. We've got showers tonight.
Know you've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin.